Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I will show you such an interesting, very easy, very beautiful knitting stitch pattern. So this pattern you can use in ladies sweater, gents sweater, baby's blanket. So this pattern you can use for all kinds of knits. So this is only 10 rows repeat pattern. See what a beautiful looks of this pattern. This is our front side of the pattern and this is our wrong side of the pattern. It looks so beautiful and it looks so nice. So in order to make this pattern you will need to cast on multiples of 5. So friends, if you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. So let's see how to knit this beautiful pattern. So friends, I cast on 15 stitches on my knitting needles for a sample, and you cast on as many stitches as you want. So let's see. So this is our row 1 right side. So row 1 right side we knit 4 and we knit 4 and for 1. That's the repeat. Knit 4 for 1. Knit 4 and for 1. So row 1 is complete. So row 1 is completed. Now we will knit row 2, and for row 2 purl 1 and knit 1 and purl 3. Again purl 1, knit 1, purl 3. Again purl 1, knit 1 and purl 3. So friends, row 2 is complete. Now we knit row 3 and row 3 knit 2, purl 1 and knit 2. Row 3 knit 2, purl 1 and knit 2. That's the repeat. Again knit 2, purl 1 and knit 2. Knit 2, purl 1, knit 2. So This is our row 3. So this is our third row of the pattern. Now we will knit row 4, and for row 4 we knit purl 3, purl 3, and purl 3, knit 1, purl 1, purl 3, knit 1 and purl 1. Again purl 3, knit 1, purl 1, purl 3, knit 1, purl 1. So friends, row 4 is complete. Now we knit row 5, and for row 5 we knit purl 1 and knit 4. That's the repeat. Again purl 1 and knit 4. Purl 1, knit 4. So friends, row 5 is complete. And now we will knit row 6, and row 6 we knit 1 and purl 4. Row 6 knit 1 and purl 4. Again knit 1, purl 4. Again knit 1, purl 4. So friends, row 6 is complete. Now we will knit row 7, and row 7 we knit 3, knit 3 and purl 1, knit 1, purl 1 and knit 1. That's the repeat. Now we repeat it again. Knit 3, knit 3, purl 1, knit 1, knit 3, purl 1, knit 1. So row 7 is complete. So row 7 is complete. Now we will knit row 8, and for row 8 we knit purl 2, knit 1 and purl 2. That's the repeat. Now we repeat it again. Purl 2, knit 1 purl 2, again purl 2, knit 1, purl 2. So friends, row 8 is complete. Now we will knit row 9, and for row 9 we knit 1, purl 1 and knit 3. Now again knit 1, purl 1, knit 3. Again knit 1, purl 1, knit 3. So friends, row 9 is complete, and now we will knit row 10 and for row 10 we purl 4, and knit 1. Again purl 4, knit 1. Again purl 4, knit 1. So friends, row 10 is complete, and our pattern is also complete. So friends, as you can see, this is how I completed row 1 to row 10. So if you want, you repeat pattern 1 to 10 rows over and over again according to your desired length. Hope you will like the pattern, and if you like the pattern, please don't forget to like, subscribe, share and also leave a comment. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. I wish you all the best in knitting. Goodbye.